Welcome to our first video. Let us kickstart our knowledge by learning what is the meaning and difference between three words that are often confused. They are astrophysics, astronomy, and astrology. All of them deals with celestial objects. Astro, by itself, means anything that is related to the objects that are present in the sky, and logy comes from Greek, where it has the meaning word. In this context, it means a field of study or discipline. In the ancient days, people tried to make sense of the world that they are in, and also of the sky that is always present above us. They thought that the objects in the sky, like stars, affect our daily lives. But why? There is a good reason behind it. You see, stars are relatively very far away from us and appear to be stationary in timescales of thousands of years. So, the ancient humans made connections with the stars and named them as constellations. They are also called as zodiac signs. In the days when clocks and calendars are not yet common, these constellations are a good way to guess when the rain comes in the rainy season, that is, and when the sun will be hot, that is, in summer. Since the ancient civilizations are based on agriculture, astrologers, that is, persons who study astrology, can easily predict and tell the farmers when to sow the seeds and when to cut the crop. This proved very useful and reliable. This is the reason why Hindu festivals are not calendar based, but instead on the movement of zodiac signs. The culture is same even for Muslims, where they see the moon and stars to celebrate their festivals. Christians celebrate their festivals based on the calendar because the calendars were perfected by Gregory. The calendar that we use today is called as Gregorian calendar, and they are the ones who spread it around the world. But eventually, these astrologers have started making people believe that the stars and zodiac signs affect not only seasons but also their personal lives. Till date, there is no proof that an astrologer can predict anything better than given by a random chance. What do you think about an astrologer? Do you think a person's zodiac sign can affect their behavior? Do you think the stars that are light years far away from us can affect us in any way? Let us know in the comments. We will read everything. Now, let us see what astronomy means. Nomy is a combining form of Greek origin which means distribution or arrangement or management, like in economy, taxonomy. So is astronomy. So, astronomy is a branch that deals with how the objects are arranged in the sky and how are they moving. Unlike astrology, astronomy is an ever-growing scientific branch to discover and catalog various objects that are present in the space. For this, we humans have developed various technologically advanced telescopes. Telescope is a simple instrument which uses lens to magnify the distant objects. Human eyes are very small and are evolved only for observing the things that are near us. To observe distant objects, we need to collect more light. And for this, our eyes should be bigger. The bigger our eyes are, the better. Since we can't enlarge our eyes to be the order of meters, we do the next best thing. That is, use a big lens and collect the light and then see it. Today, there are many telescopes of various technically advanced levels equipped in various countries as well as in the orbits around Earth. To name some of them, we have Very Large Array in America and Giant Meter Radio Telescope in India. To give some examples of space telescopes, we have the famous HST, that is Hubble Space Telescope, and our own India's AstroSat. The soon to be launched JWST will address the future challenges in astronomy. There are telescopes which are building up currently and hope to lead a new era of astronomy. SKA is its prime example. Telescopes like these are going to reveal the hidden mysteries far away in the universe. Many of us already saw all those beautiful images on the internet everywhere showing the stars, planetary nebula, and galaxies. Most of them are from Hubble. Astronomy is such a beautiful field if one has the right mind to appreciate it. Let us discuss what is astrophysics. First, what is physics? Basically, physics is a science of how things work. So, astrophysics is a branch of physics that deals with how things are formed in the universe and how do they behave. It questions even the formation and destruction of our universe, although this is usually called as cosmology, which is a sub-branch of astrophysics. To talk about astrophysics, one video is not enough. So, in this video, we can only leave you with questions and not much of answers. Some of the things that astrophysics deals with are: how did the solar system form? What are stars made of? What happens to our sun later? Will the earth exist forever? What is the age of our universe? How big is the universe? How did it all form? Why did it form? Will humans be forever? Will we be on the earth forever? What is our place in the universe? Nowadays, astronomy and astrophysics are considered as one field. This is a very interesting field which everyone from childhood dreams of. We humans are basically curious and we want to know everything. This is inbuilt to us. If you don't believe me, just look at any child and count how many questions they ask in an hour.
Yeah, because kids are born scientists. They're always turning over rocks and plucking petals off of flowers. They're always doing things that by and large are destructive. And no, that's what exploration kind of is. If you take stuff apart, whether or not you know how to put it back together. This is what kids do. An adult scientist is a kid who never grew up.
But this quality in us will be suppressed eventually as we grow up by the humans that are elder to us who can't answer our questions. So, I say be a child and stay curious and keep asking questions. Until we meet in the next video, bye bye.